All right, hey guys, good morning. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of what's going on. What's up, sir?
What's going on, man?
That's my man, Antonio. You moving some freight?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man.
Move units.
Moving units, that's right. Have a good one. Thank you. So I'm just giving you a little view of what's going on. Always got room for a full-size cargo van to come out here and get one of these contracts, make some money. So basically, the opportunities come and go every week here. And what I like to do is start connecting with qualified drivers. If you've been driving for Amazon, if you've been driving for UPS, FedEx, final mile delivery. That's really what I'm talking about here, final mile delivery. That means you load up your van with anywhere from 50 to 100 to 120 packages, whatever we got, and you get out there and you deliver it. It's like being a mailman. The reason I'm talking about final mile delivery is to make it clear this is not OTR, this is not expediting. You don't need a extended frame high roof van. I love the older model vans like that Ford right behind me there. You know, Ford Transit is cool. These guys behind me on this side, you got a minivan, looks like a Chevy Express and another Chevy Express. So I love these Fords though. Anyway, that's the deal. So the first step to getting one of these full-size cargo van contracts is getting qualified, and really what that's about is documentation. So talking about insurance, registration, driver's license, social security card. If you're running as a business, EIN letter. Of course, I need your motor vehicle record dated within 30 days, and then I'm going to run a criminal background check. But I got the contracts. I just need qualified drivers with the right kind of experience. I don't need cars, I don't need SUVs, I don't need Jeeps, I don't need small vehicles, I need full-size cargo vans. Minivans, sometimes, like that minivan right there. I was talking about a Honda Odyssey or a Toyota Sienna or a Dodge Caravan. That's an acceptable minivan. At the moment, I don't have any contracts for minivans, but if you want to contact me, I'll save your information in my database, all right? So if you got the right experience and you got the right vehicle, let's have a conversation. I'm going to keep in touch with you via email and texting to get you qualified first. Once I get you qualified, then you're going to be sitting on my desk waiting for the next contract opportunity. All right? So best thing we can do right now is keep in touch and get you qualified with documentation. And then when the next contract becomes available, boom, we can move real quick and you won't miss the opportunity. All right, thanks for watching. Hope to hear from you. Bye-bye.